Today I'll be featuring our ET40-HC series, Zebra's first tablet purpose-built to meet the demands of healthcare and your budget. This Android tablet is available in a 10-inch display. Let's see some of the key features. The ET40-HC and the ET45-HC are built specifically for healthcare from the inside out. This is Zebra's first tablet with advanced medical-grade housing to withstand constant disinfecting in a healthcare environment. This helps prevent the spread of germs and other bacteria between caregivers and patients. With a fully programmable red alert button, your workforce can easily call for immediate assistance in an emergency and duress situation. The front-facing camera enables telehealth applications, virtual follow-ups with physicians, remote triage, virtual family visits, and more. These tablets come equipped with the fastest wireless connectivity, keeping caregivers in touch to the critical information and people they need, no matter where their job takes them. The ET40-HC comes with Wi-Fi 6, while the ET45-HC comes with both Wi-Fi 6 and 5G connectivity. Enable private LTE networks, ideal for temporary pop-up clinics, with the support for CBRS on the ET45-HC as well. With the ET40-HC and the ET45-HC, integrated world-class scanning comes standard. With the scanning performance that has made Zebra the market leader, you get error-proof patient identification, medication administration, and more. Get everything you need to make these tablets easier to carry and more versatile. The multi-slot desktop charging cradles simplify backroom management. A healthcare disinfectant-ready hand strap enhances portability. The Visa mount adapter allows you to mount the tablet at bedside for patient engagement, while the presentation stand creates a kiosk for self-check-in and patient registration in the waiting room. With the ET40-HC and the ET45-HC, you get a built-in advantage with complementary Mobility DNA professional software tools to optimize workflows and improve communication and usability. The ET40-HC and the ET45-HC are built to last for years. They have a much longer life cycle with up to 6 years of enterprise class level service and support through our optional Zebra One Care support services. For more information, please visit us at zebra.com.